guys, hi, Alethea here. Here's some of the fabric that I just gotten out the cleaners. This been here for a while, but this is what I just got out the cleaners. It's the corduroys, and I have a introduction of this fabric right here to make that cape out of. Stay tuned. Speaking of fabrics, I have this bag of fabric that has to go to the cleaners. And this was introduced in another video. I'll try to link it in the description section for you to watch. But these are on their way to the cleaners. A lot. So this is Vogue 2054, and I'm doing view A. As you can see, is the shorter version of the cape. So here's your line drawing of view A, front and back. It has pockets up top, and here are your notions. And I'm making my cape out of fleece. My fleece fabric is 60 inches wide, and here is the layout for the fabric and your interfacing. And the fleece that I'm using is a polo fleece. It's 100% polyester, and it's made from polyester, and polyester is made from plastic. Did you know that? If you did, let me know in the comments. As you can see, here are the pieces that you need for coat A. A lot, huh? So polyester fleece is not like the sheep's wool. It's an alternative to the regular wool. As you can see, I cleaned it and it's ready to go. Next step will be the layout, and I'm gonna make a size medium, but fleece is durable in the winter weather. This is a tightly knit fleece, but it's again not the sheep's, and you can cold wash and low dry for this. But I will be probably putting it in the cleaners after the garment is made. Now it's insulating and opaque, water resistant, and wrinkle resistant. And it's a lightweight alternative to wool. It has a soft, raised texture, brush texture, tightly woven, 100%. Polyester. I completely forgot one very, very important step in your layout of fleece. Is just like the corduroy and those two-tone fabrics. You have to lay it out flat and be very cautious of that directional tone or tones when you put your coat together. If it's not laid out properly, it will be like a two-tone garment in the end. Very important to remember. I'm going to lay mine out in a single fold. Not a fold, just lay it on a single layer to make sure all of the arrows are going in the same direction as the grain line.